one and all. Today is a special day for all of us. Yes, today we are celebrating the annual day of our school, Sri Narayana Vidyapeetham Public School. It is one of the most anxiously awaited events for each student of our school. It allows the children to showcase their hidden potential. Despite the difficult time of this pandemic situation, we have decided to celebrate this important event in full spirit. With great pleasure, I, Nada Nasir, welcome each one of you to Ulsav at SNVP on behalf of the principal, management, staff and students of our school. As per the motto of our school this year, Rising Against the Odds, we have tried to put forward all our efforts to make this day a memorable one within our limitations. We look upon it as a great way to acknowledge and empower the culture of our nation. Let's start the function by invoking the Almighty.
Brahmanandam Paramasugadam Kevalam Jnanamurtim Dvandvadidam Gagana Sadrisam Ratosyadrishyam Egam Nityam Vimalamajalam Sarvadesakshibhudam Bhavadidam Trigurayidam Sadgurum Namami Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
From Government Medical College, Salem, the first postgraduate in Tamil Nadu to receive a certificate of appreciation from the Salem District Collector for effectively managing the critical care unit during the dengue epidemic. Completed a postgraduate program in cardiology from Johns Hopkins University of Medicine. Has worked as a junior consultant in Lizzie Hospital, Ernakulam. Now, a compassionate senior resident in the Department of General Medicine in Bilirus Medical Church Medical College Hospital, Tiruvalla. My dear viewers, she is none other than the famous Dr. Ani Thambi, the pride of SNVP, the alumna or the former student of SNVP who passed out in the year 2006. It's my honor, it's my great honor and privilege to welcome Dr. Ani Thambi to inaugurate the 30th annual day celebration of Sri Narayana Vidyapeetham Public School, Tripunithura.
Respected dignitaries, principal, vice principal, members of the board, PTA president, my favorite teachers and my dear students, a very warm good evening to you all. I'm deeply honored and extremely proud to be able to deliver the inaugural address for the 30th annual day function of our school, Sri Narayana Vidyapeetham Public School, situated in Tripunithura. I don't want to bore you with redundant speeches regarding me, but I would like to say a few words about our school. So I've been a student of the school right from my kindergarten days till I completed my 12th there, that is in 2006, from 1990 to 2006. And I felt that, the building blocks of our life, that is our emotional, intellectual, creative and social knowledge that I have acquired from my school has helped me a lot to go forward in life. So I would like to mention a few pointers that I feel that I have learned from my school and which I feel is important in your life ahead, and which is going to help you build a successful life. So one thing is about dreaming big and flying high. I think that was one of the mottos that our ex-principal Mr. V.K. Prakashan sir, our current principal Mrs. Rakhi madam, then Geeta ma'am, and everybody taught us. It was to dream high. There was no limitations to what we could do in our school. We were expected to excel in everything, not just our studies, but also in all our extracurricular activities. They never restricted us from trying something out or experimenting something out. They made sure that we had equal opportunities for academics as well as extracurricular activities. So that is very important, and that is why what I see in the recent days, that is what is lacking in many schools. So I think we were lucky enough to be able to get exposed to such a school environment. And one important thing is that it's about having dreams. The dreams may not be just about your studies or just about getting a position, but it's about what you want to be in your life. At the end of the day, what do you want to do with your life? Not just becoming an engineer or a doctor or a chartered accountant, but the kind of human being that you're going to be. Are you going to be a compassionate human being? Are you going to be a humble human being? So all these things are something that you're going to learn from school. And and these things, these qualities help to push you forward in life and thrive in life. It is not just about dreaming high, but also having the determination to follow your dreams. It is not an easy path to success. So a lot of people tell me, you have had a TC, you've got everything you've wanted, but it was not an easy job. I've struggled a lot, not just me. Anybody who's had a successful life or who feels that you've achieved something in life, it is not an easy job. It is through determination and sheer hard work that we achieve the success in life. And it may not be a success in one shot. You would have a lot of failures that finally end up in a success, but people just see the successes in your life. Another thing is learning from your mistakes. Success does not come overnight. It is very, very, very difficult to achieve success. Also, having self-respect, it is very important. You should respect yourself. You should have that self-respect. It's not necessary. School we'll have different type of people. It's not necessary that everybody should excel at academics. Some of you may be good at singing. Some of you may be good at dancing, and you not excel at academics that much. But it's important to have the self-respect and never ever compare yourself to somebody else. What you need to do is compare yourself with the kind of person you were yesterday. Did you make a progress? Did you change something about you that is going to help you out later in your life? Did you change one single habit, or did you put in a new habit that is going to help you out? So always compare yourself not to anybody else but to your own self. So it is very, very important to have the proper school such kind of a training right from your school years, how to treat women with respect and not be and going in for an equality. I have never felt the need for equality when I studied in school, but I learned that when I passed out of my school into a college where I understood the differences in gender roles. One more important thing. So after completing my MD, so I was working in a private hospital, and I realized that no, I'm not happy with this. So something else I wanted to do was teaching. So teaching is something I feel it is not from my MBBS days or MD days that I wanted to teach. Teaching, if I think about teaching, the first things comes to me is the figure of Indira ma'am, who used to be my kindergarten teacher. Okay, so I think people in school inspire you far more better than the rest of the people you meet ahead. Not that they don't inspire you, but I feel that the reason I wanted to teach people, and thankfully I believe that I'm doing a good job, is because of such people in my life who has, helped me to go ahead, understand my passions, chase after my dreams, and to make sure that these dreams come true. So one last thing I would like to tell you guys is like, dream high, okay? Set your goals, not just for tomorrow, but have short-term goals, have long-term goals, plan ahead, and make sure that you work hard to go behind your dreams. Be determined enough to achieve whatever you want in life, not just about degrees. Let it be about your personal life. Maybe it's the trip that you wanted, maybe it is the position that you wanted, maybe it's the degree that you wanted, whatever it may be. Be determined enough to go ahead, no matter whatever obstacles you're facing. Go ahead, chase your dreams. And something that you need to understand is about constantly improving yourself. Constantly improve yourself. Don't ever compare yourself to anybody else, just to yourself. And always achieve your dreams and reassess the pathway, and make sure you give back to the others in society. And at the end of the day, be a compassionate and a humble human being. Okay, so this is my message for you guys for the 30th annual day of our school, and I formally announce the inauguration of our 30th annual day of Srinarayana Vidyapeetham Public School, Tripundram. Thank you so much for having me over, and thank you so much for inviting me for this annual day function. Later, when all the COVID and everything pandemic comes to, maybe I would like to come down there and visit each of you personally and give a talk. Thank you so much.
Now, I welcome our beloved principal, Srimati Rakhi Prince, to present the annual day report, highlighting the school's achievements in academic and co-curricular arenas.
This academic year started with an uncertainty due to the pandemic COVID-19. 2020 Srinarayana Vidyapeetham annual report articulates and demonstrates the dynamic nature of our students and teachers. Our relentless pursuit of obtaining the goal was very much evident on our virtual platform. One thing that the pandemic could not steal was the commitment of our school community. Established in 1991, a score of AISSC, AISSCE batches were with noticeable results successfully came out, enabling them further to excel in every crest they mount on, gives us a reason to sustain. This academic year started with an uncertainty due to the pandemic COVID-19. We started the sessions with 9, 10, 12 online during the vacation May 2020 on LMS software. Alternative academic calendar along with a relaxation of 33% portions enabled the teachers and students to do proper justice to the topics taught. CBSE introduced art integrated learning projects and activities for all grades. When academics started to get tuned with the new system, we decided to start with the extracurricular activities. Almost all the important state and national importance were observed by our entire school through various programs. Our students could also participate in many competitions conducted online. To begin with, the board exam results 2019-2020. Grade 10. 52 students appeared the AISSE 2020, received a 100% result with 33 distinctions and 9 first class. The school topper being Gauri Krishna R, 92.8%. Toppers in various subjects are English, Adra Bijulal and Sudipti Maria Saiju, 96 marks. Hindi, Gauri Krishna R, Riya Shankara Narayanan, Sudipti Maria Saiju, 95 marks. Malayalam, Vijayanandan VS, 97. Sanskrit, Gauri MP, 94. Mathematics, Advait Mahesh, 96. Science, Vijayanandan VS, 96. Social Science, Nevanarayanan K. Prasad, 98. Grade 12, 54 students appeared for AISSCE 2020, secured 100% result with 42 distinctions and 11 first class. Two of our students, Archana PB and N. Shivanandini, got A1 for all the subjects. The school topper being Master Indrajit CS, our school head boy, with 96%. Toppers in various subjects: Advait NM, English, 98 marks. Advait NM, Mathematics, 95. Advait NM, Physics, 89. Advait NM and Shivanand M. Prabhu, Chemistry, 95. Sahil Nasir and Aditya VS, Biology, 95. Advait NM, Computer Science, 97. Economics, Indrajit CS, 95. Business Studies, Indrajit CS, 98. Accountancy, Indrajit CS, 99. Informatic Practices, Indrajit CS, 98. Virtual classes and physical absence seemed to create less impact on our students' enthusiasm when it came to participation in extracurricular events. We started with virtual Onam celebration. Students shared their Onam at home with us. It was a real feast to our eyes watching the breathtaking performances in isolation. Grandparents' Day celebration. To instill values, to show respect, teach them caring and sharing, and carrying regards and love for the grandparents, children were asked to send videos of time spent with them. The videos sent depicted the happiness and enjoyment grandparents had when children spent quality time with them. Navaratri celebration. Books were kept for Grantha Puja in the school, a composed, refined, and minimal celebration observed with all essential procedures. Kerala Piravi celebrations. Video on the history of Kerala anchored by the students and a short skit Poovamparam in Malayalam by students uploaded. Children's Day celebrations. Videos on speech by students in Chachaji's costume, drawing pictures, fancy dress, dances by students. The videos were uploaded. Christmas celebrations. Videos of Christmas tree decorations done at home, cards made, carol songs sung by the students, other happy moments of celebration at home were uploaded. Competitions participated by our students organized by other institutions. Srishti, organized by Bhavan Vidya Mandir, Pavan S. won 3rd prize for pictography. Kerala Kaumudi Centenary Celebrations conducted essay writing competition, Ende Kochi. Adul Krishna CB won 3rd prize on 26 December 2020, received the prize from the Honorable Central Minister, Mr. V. Muralidharan. Discovery Premier League conducted science-based quiz. Children procured participation certificates. District level arm wrestling competition conducted by Ernakulam District Arm Wrestling Association. Satyapriya Darshini M won 2nd prize in junior category. Physical education. Due to the restrictions, physical education classes were confined to 22 body weight exercise. They have been given virtual sessions for the importance of balanced diet in day-to-day life. The students are also made aware of the harmful effects of overtraining and why a balance is to be maintained between work and rest. It has been stressed in the session that sleep is as equally important as working out at the gym. Karate and yoga. Systematic video recordings of various yoga postures were introduced according to the age and need of children to various classes, beginning with instructions to be followed before practicing yoga. In order to make it easy to practice, the instructor had helped them to incorporate these into their day-to-day activities. While these asanas were taught, the benefits of practicing the same were also well explained. Meditation and meditation techniques that help to focus, relieve stress, and attain a well-needed relaxed state could also be done through the video sessions. Art and craft. Painting and drawing were demonstrated and taught online as well as recorded videos. Webinars. On the other side, our teachers were attending webinars continuously and simultaneously conducted by CBSE as well as other various organizations to upgrade and shape their teaching career better. The purpose of this report is to take you to a virtual tour on the depiction of tough time we encountered in the century. The annual day represents the day that is a mixture of acknowledging the achievements of children throughout the year and also a lot of fun and joy the children bring through their performances. Sometimes it also brings us loss and emptiness, gone from the sight but never gone from hearts. I remember with tears of this smart girl Anashwara who left us. She was our last year's 10th batch, was extraordinarily pleasing, naive and innocent. Always seen her with a beautiful smile, was very vibrant and active in the school choir group. Not how long it is, but how good it is what matters. Let me conclude this report with thanks to the Staff Secretary Ms. Bindu PS, Cultural Committee Convener Ms. Geeta Raji, other committee organizers, all those who have participated in the school activities throughout. I thank God Almighty for His immense blessings showered upon me and the organization. Thank you.
Dear friends, now it's time for the most vibrant and the colorful moments of the day you are looking forward to. Here we are ready with a pack of entertainments just for you to relish. Today, our program is based on the theme Unity in Diversity. Unity in diversity means oneness in the varieties. This concept is very much applicable to our country, India. Each and every region of our country, from Jammu Kashmir to Kanyakumari, portrays different customs, cultures and traditions. Despite these differences, the people of India live together with love and brotherhood.
In all spheres of Indian life, diversities are clearly visible. But these diversities have made the Indian culture a unique one. Like all the other aspects of life, dance forms of India are also varied and different. There are many types of dance forms in India, from those which are deeply religious in content to those which are performed for entertainment and celebrations. Each dance form is originated in different parts of India and developed according to local traditions. Now, let's watch the fantastic dance performances of our friends representing varied dance forms of various states of India.
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
चन्द्रचूड शिवशङ्कर पार्वती रमणाय निनगे नमो नमो। चन्द्रचूड शिवशङ्कर पार्वती रमणा निनगे नमो नमो। सुन्दरकर विरागधर सुन्दरकर विराग धर गंगाधर गज चर्मांबरधर गंगाधर गज चर्मांबरधर। चन्द्रचूड शिवशङ्कर पार्वती रमणा निनगे नमो नमो। ವೇಷವು ಧರಿಸಿದ ಪರಮ ವೈಷ್ಣವನು ನೀನೆ. ಗರುಡ ಗಮನ ನಮ್ಮ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ಪ್ರಾಣ ಪ್ರಿಯನು ನೀನೆ. ಚಂದ್ರಚೂಡ ಶಿವಶಂಕರ ಪಾರ್ವತಿ ರಮಣ ನಿನಗೆ ತನದಾನಂ ತದಾನಂ ತದಾನಂ ದಾನಂ ತನಂ ತನದಾನಂ ತದಾನಂ ತದಾನಂ ದಾನಂ ತದಾನಂ ತದಾನಂ ತದಾನಂ
वनदूत्सवोत्सुकं विकीर्णविस्तीर्णकलापशोभितं ससम्भ्रमालिङ्गन चुम्बनाकुलं ससम्भ्रमालिङ्गन चुम्बनाकुलं प्रवृत्तनृत्यं कुलमध्यबर्हिणाम्
നിന്റെ ചെപ്പു തുറന്നൊന്നു കാട്ടൂലേ ചെപ്പ് കിടക്കണ ചങ്ങാതി നിന്റെ ചെപ്പു തുറന്നൊന്നു കാട്ടൂലേ പിന്നീട് അതെന്താണ് നല്ല കുന്നിക്കൊരു മണി പൊന്മാല പിന്നീട് അതെന്താണ് നല്ല കുന്നിക്കൊരു മണി പൊന്മാല നിന്റെ ചെപ്പു തുറന്നൊന്നു കാട്ടൂലേ പിന്നീട് അതെന്താണ് നല്ല കുന്നിക്കൊരു മണി പൊന്മാല കാറ്റിൻ കയ്യിൽ കൊടുത്താലേ ഇത് പൊട്ടിച്ചെറിഞ്ഞു കളയൂലേ കാറ്റിൻ കയ്യിൽ കൊടുത്താലേ ഇത് പൊട്ടിച്ചെറിഞ്ഞു കളയൂലേ കാട്ടുകാരെ കിളി ചോദിച്ചാനിന്റെ പാട്ടിന് പോവാൻ പറയൂലേ കാട്ടുകാരെ കിളി ചോദിച്ചാനിന്റെ പാട്ടിന് പോവാൻ പറയൂലേ ചെപ്പു കിളിക്കണ ചങ്ങാതി നിന്റെ ചെപ്പു തുറന്നൊന്നു കാട്ടൂലേ പിന്നീട് അതെന്താണ് നല്ല കുന്നിക്കൊരു മണി പൊന്മാല അമ്മിണി കുഞ്ഞിനെ ഇമ്പു പൊറുക്കി അറമ്മച്ചി കാണാതെ കൊണ്ടത്തരാം അമ്മിണി കുഞ്ഞിനെ ഇമ്പു പൊറുക്കി അറമ്മച്ചി കാണാതെ കൊണ്ടത്തരാം പഞ്ചാരി ഉമ്മ പകത്ത് തരാം നിന്റെ മുത്തണി മാലയെ നിക്കല്ലേ പഞ്ചാരി ഉമ്മ പകത്ത് തരാം നിന്റെ മുത്തണി മാലയെ
నీ కళని పట్టుకు వదలనన్నవి చూడే నా కళ్ళు ఆ చూపులనల్లా తొక్కుకు వెళ్ళకు దయలేదా అసలు కళ్ళని పట్టుకు వదలనన్నవి చూడే నా కళ్ళు ఆ చూపులనల్లా తొక్కుకు వెళ్ళకు దయలేదా అసలు నీ కళ్ళకి కవలి కాస్తాయే కటుకల నా కలలు నువ్వు నులుముతుంటే ఎర్రగ కంది చిందే సెగలు నా ఊపిరి గాలికి ఉయ్యాలలుగుతూ ఉంటే ముంగురులు నువ్వు నెట్టేస్తే ఎలా నిట్టుచబట్టే నిష్ఠురపు విలవిలలు గమన నిన్ను చూసి ఆగగలనా మనసు మీద వయసుకున్న అదుపు చెప్పతగునా సామదవర గమన నిన్ను చూసి ఆగగలనా మనసు మీద వయసుకున్న అదుపు చెప్పతగునా నీ కళ్ళని పట్టుకు వదలనన్నవి చూడే నా కళ్ళు ఆ చూపులనల్లా తొక్కుకు వెళ్ళకు దయలేరా అసలు మంజుల హాసమా ప్రతి మలుపులోన ఎదురుపడిన వన్నెల వనమా విరిసిన పించమా విరుల ప్రపంచమా ఎన్నెన్ని వన్నె చిన్నెలంటే ఎన్నెల వశమా అరే నాగాలే తగిలినా నా నీడే తరిగినా పులకమా తలకమా వామా మనసు మీద వయసుకున్న అదుపు చెప్పదగునా मार तेरी बेतु की बातें पिया जियार मेरा लूट ले रे अरे आपस आर का है पल्लू तू झाड़ मुझे तेरा बना ले पिया जियार मेरा लूट ले रे यहाँ वहाँ कहीं तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं तेरी मेरी लगे जोड़ी प्यारी रंग तारी तुम्हें आके घुमा के जो मारी रंग तारी तुम्हें आके घुमा के जो मारी अरे यशोमती मैया से बोले नंद लाला अरे राधा क्यों गोरी मैं क्यों काला अरे जा झूठी जार का है आंखों से मार तेरी
बेतु की बातें पिया जी यार मेरा लूट ले रे। अरे आपस आर का है पल्लू तू झाड़ मुझे तेरा बना ले पिया जी यार मेरा लूट ले रे। यहाँ वहाँ कहीं तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं तेरी मेरी लगे जोड़ी प्यारी। रंग तारी रंग तारी रंग तारी तुम्हें आके घुमा के जो मारी। अरे यशोमती मैया से बोले नंद लाला अरे राधा क्यों गोरी मैं क्यों काला। अरे जा झूठी जार का है आंखों से मार तेरी बेतु की बातें पिया जी यार मेरा लूट ले रे। अरे आपस आर का है पल्लू तू झाड़ मुझे तेरा बना ले पिया जी यार मेरा लूट ले रे। यहाँ वहाँ कहीं तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं तेरी मेरी लगे जोड़ी प्यारी। रंग तारी रंग तारी रंग तारी तुम्हें आके घुमा के जो मारी। रंग तारी तुम्हें आके घुमा के जो मारी।
झुलका झुलका रे झुलका 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 रे झुलका झुलका रे झुलका रे झुलका रे झुलका झुलका रे झुलका 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 रे झुलका झुलका रे झुलका रे झुलका रे। शबनम जैसी लड़की तेरी युक्त दिल की खिड़की ये ಹಾಡನೊಂದು ಕೇಳಿ ಶ್ಯಾಮ से सुबह ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಕಾಜಲ್ ಜಲ್ಲೆನ್ನು ನನ್ನ ಪಾಯಲ್ मुझे नाचने दो ये शाम से सुबह ನಾರೆಯ ನಾದ ತುಂಬಾ ವಿನೋದ ನಲಿದಾಡೋಣ ವೇಲಾಡೆ झुलका झुलका रे झुलका 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 रे झुलका झुलका रे झुलका रे झुलका रे झुलका झुलका रे झुलका 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 रे झुलका झुलका रे झुलका रे झुलका रे। ना रा रा ना झुलका झुलका रे झुलका 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 रे झुलका झुलका रे झुलका रे झुलका रे। Nangakhiday ipanga ningon thawai oiba nangakhiday ipanga ningon thawai oiba maraiba ipanga ningon ning hobo anja changa chukhiba ningi rushi loriba mushi layung chongle ningo thamoi lakase nungole nungole nushibana nungole 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 nushibana nungole 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 nushibana nungole 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 nushibana nungole। ਭਾਵੇਂ ਸਾਰੀ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਚ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਵੇਖ ਲਓ, ਹੁਸਨ ਮੁਕਾਬਲਾ ਕਰਾ ਕੇ ਵੇਖ ਲਓ। ਭਾਵੇਂ ਸਾਰੀ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਚ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਵੇਖ ਲਓ, ਹੁਸਨ ਮੁਕਾਬਲਾ ਕਰਾ ਕੇ ਵੇਖ ਲਓ। ਫਿਰ ਵੀ ਜੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਝੂਠ ਲੱਗਦਾ, ਅਰਸ਼ਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਪਰੀਆਂ ਬੁਲਾ ਕੇ ਵੇਖ ਲਓ। ਰਾਵਾ ਸੱਚ ਰੱਬ ਦੇ ਦੁਆਰਾਂ ਵਰਗਾ, ਰੂਪ ਕਿਤੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਮੁਟਿਆਰਾਂ ਵਰਗਾ। ਭਾਵੇਂ ਸਾਰੀ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਚ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਵੇਖ ਲਓ, ਹੁਸਨ ਮੁਕਾਬਲਾ ਕਰਾ ਕੇ ਵੇਖ ਲਓ। ਭਾਵੇਂ ਸਾਰੀ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਚ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਵੇਖ ਲਓ, ਹੁਸਨ ਮੁਕਾਬਲਾ ਕਰਾ ਕੇ ਵੇਖ ਲਓ। ਸੂਟ ਪਾ ਕੇ ਜਾਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਆਉਣ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਤਾਂ ਹੋਸ਼ ਗੁੰਮ ਕਰ ਦਿੰਦੀਆਂ। ਲਾਉਣ ਮਹਿਕਣੇ ਪੂਰੀ ਕਾਇਨਾਤ ਨੂੰ ਵੇ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਪੈਰ
അറിയാതെ അറിയാതെ പവിഴവാർ തിങ്കളറിയാതെ അറിയാതെ അറിയാതെ പവിഴവാർ തിങ്കളറിയാതെ അലയാൻ വാ ഈ പ്രണയതൽപ്പത്തിലമരാൻ വാ ഇതുരമരഗന്ധർവയാമം ഇതുരനഘ സംഗീത സല്ലാപം അലഞ്ഞുറിയുമാഷാഢതീരം അതില മൃദു പെയ്യുമീഴാം യാമം അറിയാതെ അറിയാതെ പവിഴവാർ തിങ്കളറിയാതെ അലയാൻ വാ ഈ പ്രണയതൽപ്പത്തിലമരാൻ വാ.
அழகே அழகே எதுவும் அழகே அன்பின் விழியில் எல்லாம் அழகு மழை மட்டுமா அழகு சுடுமையில் கூட ஒரு அழகு மழல் மட்டுமா அழகு விழும் இலை கூட ஒரு அழகு புன்னகை வீசிடும் பார்வைகள் அழகு வார்த்தைகள் தேர்கையில் மௌனங்கள் அழகு நன்மைக்க சொல்லிடும் பொய்களும் அழகு உன்மேல் அதுதான் மேலால் அழகு கமதனிசா நிரிசா கமதனிசா கரிசா
আরে মনের মানুষ আইরে
തുള്ളി ചിന്തിക്കോ മൺകണി വർണ്ണ ചുന്ദരി വാവേ അങ്കിന്നക്ക തകതിമിയാടും തങ്കനിലാവേ പുഞ്ചിരി തഞ്ചി കുഞ്ചിക്കോ മുന്തിരി മുത്തുള്ളി ചിന്തിക്കോ മൺകണി വർണ്ണ ചുന്ദരി വാവേ അങ്കിന്നക്ക തകതിമിയാടും തങ്കനിലാവേ
കൊലുസല്ലേ കുറുമ്പുയിലല്ലേ മാരണമയിലല്ലേ തങ്ക കൊലുസല്ലേ കുറുമ്പുയിലല്ലേ മാരണമയിലല്ലേ जिया जले जा जले नैनो तले दुआ चले रात भर दुआ चले जानू ना सजीरी जिया जले जा जले नैनो तले दुआ चले रात भर दुआ चले जानू ना सजीरी जिया जले बोती ओ रंगो बोती रंगो बोती ओ रंगो बोती रंगो बोती रंगो बोती रंगो बोती रंगो बोती कोनो कोयोता हंसे पदे को बोलो कोता हे रंगो बोती कोनो कोयोता हंसे पदे को बोलो कोता
टिट्टों खिलाएंगे बानुमा नेरडुवर पाडवायमा ரொம்ப ஸ்வீட்டா இருப்பதெல்லாம் போதுமா கொஞ்சம் ஸ்வீட்டா செஞ்சு பேசாமா செல்லமா செல்லமா அங்கு மேலும் தங்கமா கண்ணமா மேலமா கட்டி கிளமா கண்ணமா கண்ணமா கண்ணு ரெண்டும் கண்ணமா கொஞ்சமா கொஞ்சமா சுட்டு தரன போல வயசு சீட்டிட்டான் போலாவே தடுத்தாலும் உனக்கு வீழ்வாதானே கண்ணாடி மனச கல்வீசி பார்த்தாய் புரிஞ்சாலும் காட்டுவேன் நானே மெழுகுடோடு நீ அழகு சூடு நீ எனக்கு ஏத்தவனி தாடி ஹேண்ட்ஸம் ஆளு நீ சூப்பர் கூடு நீ நானோ நீ தான் சமஜோடி புதுவா தோனி போல ஆகுமா எனக்கு எக்ஸிமெண்ட் ஆதாமா கண்ணால் வளைய வீசி என்ன தூக்குமா லைஃப் செட்டில் வந்து நாடாமா இனிமே திட்டம் கில்ல எங்க வாழுமா நரடுவர் பாடவாயமா ரொம்ப சிட்டா இருப்பதெல்லாம் மூட்டுமா கொஞ்சம் சீட்டா சுற்றி பேசாமா
states and 8 union territories, each having a different culture and tradition. Each state has its own traditional clothes and fashion culture. India is well known for its garments and classic fashion styles all around the world. Clothing in India varies from region to region depending on the ethnicity, geography, climate and the cultural traditions of the people of that region. Here comes the SNVP stars with their dazzling dresses representing the different states of India.
घरावरी आणि घरावरी
చంచల
శుభకళింగ శుభ విశాఖ మచిలీపట్నాలను అభిషేకించి బంగాళాఖాతాలను ధలంధల
గణిత శాస్త్ర నిపుణురాలు ఆంధ్ర శాకుంతల శతానేక శాస్త్రాలకు మేలు బంతిలా ఆచార్యుడు నాగార్జున బౌద్ధ పీఠమా
శరణం గచ్చ
the world has faced since World War II. In other words, the world is again at another war with this deadly coronavirus. Anyway, the present scenario in India points out that it has almost succeeded in conquering this deadly enemy. Yes, India's COVID-19 curve is flatter than that of several Western nations where the virus has claimed more lives. Containing the COVID-19 virus to a few thousand cases so far is no small achievement for a country with a population of 1.3 billion people. The speed and agility displayed by both state and central governments is really commendable. Now we can witness the tremendous story of India's fight against this coronavirus.
Over the past few days, we've seen COVID-19 spread around the world at an even faster pace.
This morning, I've declared a state of emergency in the province of Ontario. We're facing an unprecedented time in our history.
India's strategies and measures to prevent the spread of this contagious disease is quite outstanding and unique. Here is the amazing story of India's fight against COVID-19. Since the Wuhan coronavirus outbreak in China, the first case of coronavirus in India, the second most populated country in the world, was reported in the state of Kerala. New confirmed cases are being reported in multiple cities such as New Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Hyderabad and Patna. The Indian government announced a number of preventive measures to minimize the entry and spread of coronavirus. A control room which functions for 24 hours throughout the days to address the queries has been launched. A 21 days of lockdown across the country was imposed from 23rd March to 14th April to curb the spread of coronavirus pandemic. All factories, schools, colleges, offices and transportation services have been closed while essential services such as supermarkets and pharmacies remained open. The Indian government announced 22.6 billion stimulus package to aid the poor who are affected by the coronavirus outbreak. The government provided wheat, rice and pulses free of cost to low-income families all over India. Starting from 4th March, India mandated the universal screening at all airports in the country. The thermal screening has been installed at 21 airports in India and also at 12 major seaports and land borders. The National Institute of Virology Lab in Pune served as the first nodal lab for coronavirus testing in India. After that, a number of coronavirus testing labs were added in different parts of the country. The Indian government has advised all Indians to avoid non-essential travel abroad. Self-quarantine is mandated to all passengers arriving in India. Indian government is leaving no stones unturned when it comes to utilizing its resource to maximum capacity to fight against COVID-19. The central and state governments are taking several measures and formulating several wartime protocols to control the spread of COVID-19. The lockdown that came into effect on 23rd March for 3 weeks had been implemented in phases. Many measures are put forward in order to slow down the rate of the cases. The first is Arogya Setu. Arogya Setu is a location-based mobile app launched by the Government of India to connect health services and the people of India in the combined fight against COVID-19. The app serves a very critical purpose of contact tracing that is helping the government implement a graded plan
for relaxation of the lockdown in the areas across 733 districts of India. The app detects and tracks a user's movement with the help of GPS and Bluetooth sensors and notifies if the user is in vicinity of infected people with the database and the algorithms. The app is privacy by design and currently available in 11 languages. With Arogya Setu, a step forward has been taken to protect ourselves, our family and our loved ones. On January 2021, the Drug Controller General of India approved the emergency and conditional use of the vaccine Covishield. It is developed by University of Oxford and its spin-out company Vaccitech. On January 22nd, India's first indigenous vaccine developed by Bharat Biotech in association with ICMR and National Institute of Virology received approval for its conditional use. India started its national vaccination program against the SARS-CoV-2, which is responsible for the COVID pandemic. The drive prioritizes healthcare and frontline COVID workers, then those who are over the age of 50 or suffering from certain medical conditions, all free of cost. The national vaccination drive began on 16th January 2021 across 2006 vaccination centers. Each vaccination center will offer either Covishield or Covaxin. Across the vast country, more than 200,000 vaccinators and 370,000 team members have been trained for the rollout. Large-scale trial runs have been conducted in at least 4 states and authorities have readied 229,000 cold storage units to transport and hold vaccine safely. Actually, India acts as the pharmacy of the world. From January 20 onwards, India has supplied coronavirus vaccine to several countries including Bhutan, Maldives, Bahrain, Nepal, Bangladesh, Myanmar and Sri Lanka. Another 25 nations are in the queue at different levels. It is perhaps due to the restraints exercised by the citizens, guided by the cautious and meticulous approach of the government, that despite being the second most populous country, the contagion has been contained to a number that is significantly lower than in many other nations. It is also a great wonder that despite many challenges, India has come together, united more than ever to destabilize this deadly pandemic COVID-19.
Pradesh. I study in 4th standard. I would like to share my experience during this lockdown period. I wanted to do something, engage myself. I like flowers and plants. My mother suggested to me idea of gardening. that was it all started.
Hi friends, I am Harinandan. I study in 4B. Due to this COVID-19 panic, we were not able to go out of our home. To make this time useful, I have spent some of my time in arts and crafts. As I am fond of geography, I started preparing a world map and an Indian map. This is my world map. I have drawn this by referring to my atlas. I have used watercolor to make it more colorful. This is my Indian map. First, I drew an outline of India. Then I cut shapes of all the 28 states separately and pasted inside it. The next item was a Ludo board. While making this, I got an idea. That's to make a new game which is a combination of 3 games that are Ludo, Snake and Ladders and Chess. So I named it LS and LC. This is my younger sister. She also done some activities in this time. Hi, I am Nandita. I study in UKPA. This is a matchstick activity. This she has done with the help of our father. Here is a seed activity. For this, we have used mustard, green gram, black gram and dhal. Here is another activity which we have done with pencil shadings. Other than this, we have also done some origamis and crafts. This is how we made our lockdown days fruitful. Friends, an idle mind is devil's workshop, so don't sit idle. Do spend some time for your hobbies and passions. Thank you.
I am Gautam Krishna of Standard 6th. Online classes provided me a lot of free time. There were only 2 or 3 periods a day. I was wondering how to spend the remaining time. I had already attended classes in drawing and clay modeling. It helped me, and I started to make models out of clay, paper, cardboard, and ice cream sticks. Pencil and pen drawing is also my passion. I am looking for the opening of Tridhalaya Art World, where I learned my first lessons of my art. I wish to learn more and do more.
I am Aminav KP, a student of Standard 6. I would like to share my lockdown experiences with you. I was initially happy about the lockdown, thinking that there were no school and I could enjoy all the day playing games and watching. Then the online class started. I missed my friends and school very much. It was very boring to remain inside the house without meeting my friends. I felt depressed and disappointed. My father's friend suggested the idea of wall painting. I liked that idea. Soon the walls of my house became my vast canvas. drawing and painting pictures in the wall. It gave me a lot of satisfaction and happiness. My parents gave me strong support. Dear friends, pursue or follow your skills and passion like me, because it is the only period when we get a lot of free time.
Lockdown period gave me a new opening for my passion in art. I am Amdika Arun of class 7. I am very much interested in drawing, painting and making models. I decided to do something different when I got a lot of free time after classes. I turned to bottle art. Only then I recognized my skill. Dear friends, it's up to you to decide and show your skills and talents like this, because there never has been or will be a period like this when we are free. We all have been affected by the current COVID pandemic. It brought about a vast change in the lives of students. The online classes or the homeschooling was indeed a new and different experience. Initially, I also found it quite strange, but gradually I tried to adapt to it. The main problem was how to make use of the leisure time, since the classes were limited to just a few hours a day. Drawing was my passion. I drew and drew a lot, and I did other crafty works. Reading is my hobby. I had time to read a lot of books, like the famous book How to Kill a Mockingbird.
India is a diverse country in terms of languages as well. India is home to a wide variety of languages. According to the 2011 census, 121 different mother tongues or languages are being spoken by Indians. Each state has its own languages, but these languages connect us and break down the barriers which we unite to nurture the best in us and help each other succeed. This multiplicity of languages is undoubtedly one of the country's most distinctive features, one which separates it from nearly all other countries in the world. Now, we invite you to listen to our national pledge, which is narrated by our students in different languages.
പ്രതിജ്ഞ ഭാരത് ഹമാര ദേശ് ഹേ.
എല്ലാ ഇന്ത്യക്കാരും എന്റെ സഹോദരി സഹോദരന്മാരാണ്.
എന്നാട്ടിல் பழம்பெருமைக்காகவும் பன்முகமாக சிறப்பிற்காகவும் நான் பெருமிதம் கொள்கிறேன்.
वयमस्याः सुयोग्याः अधिकरणो भवितुं सदा प्रयत्नमानः भवेत्. अस्माकं मातापितरौ गुरुषु समानी.
देविनाने प्रत्येकाची सौजन्याने वादू.
আমি আমার দেশ এবং দেশবাসীর প্রতি সদা সত্যনিষ্ঠ থাকব.
వారి శ్రేయోభివృద్ధులే నా ఆనందానికి మూలం. జై హింద్.
People of diverse religions, cultures, castes, and sects have been living together for many centuries. This certainly shows the intense tolerance and the unity of the Indian people. Hence, India is a country which perfectly demonstrates the unity in diversity. This makes our India an incredible nation in the world. I conclude with the words of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation. Our ability to reach unity in diversity will be the beauty and test of our civilization. Dear viewers, as you know, there is an end for everything. Our celebrations of the day have come to an end now. Hope you all enjoyed the lively dances and the energetic presentations. I would like to thank one and all for giving your precious time and to be a part of this event. Thank you once again for joining us.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय है भारत भाग्य विधाता. पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा. विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा. तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मागे. गाहे तब जय गादा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता.